Here's how to remove a track element using runtime. In runtime, removing a track element doesn't destroy anything. Instead, the element is simply deactivated and its loader is returned to its pool, making it available for reuse later. Also, structures and attachments are the only content that can be purposely removed at runtime. Tiles are required for the scrolling, so their removal is only handled by the system. To remove content, the track controller exposes two functions: remove structure from tile to remove structures, and remove structure attachment from tile to remove attachments. Both functions take the same parameters: the instance ID of the element to remove and the instance ID of the tile it belongs to. These IDs are available through script, but they are also visible in the editor. If you select any structure or attachment in the scene, ownership state under runtime status section in the inspector display the element's instance ID and its tile instance ID. The remove functions are also available through the track controller inspector for testing. In the content control section, set the target to structure or attachment, then enter the tile ID and the content ID. And when pressing remove, the track controller will automatically call the correct remove function. So let's try it. In play mode, initialize and prepare the track without starting it. Select the structure, access its ownership state, and take note of the instance IDs. Enter those values in the content control section of the track controller inspector, set the target to structure, and press remove. And the structure disappears immediately. Now, let's do the same thing with an attachment. And the attachment disappears from the track. And that's it. Now that you know how track elements are identified and how the removal process works, you know how to remove a track element using runtime.